Hey my egos! Welcome again to another lecture discussion on the different topics of psychology, giving you only the basic tenets, the core concepts, and the most important information you need to learn. I hope this is useful for you and please share this to others. Let's help everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Hi everyone! Welcome again to another lecture discussion to the theories of personality. And in this time, we're going to discuss the theory of Abraham Maslow. This is one of my favorite theories of personality. Okay? His theory is Holistic-Dynamic theory. Alright, so very popular to. Yung sa kanya is the hierarchy of needs, yung pyramid. Okay, so according to him, humans are born good. We are all by nature insatiable. Okay, he adopted a holistic approach to motivation. Okay, and motivation is also complex and has several factors. He continually motivated by one need or another. So in order for us to go towards one need to another, then that sort of lower need should be satisfied before going to the next level of need. Needs can be arranged in a hierarchy. Okay, so assumes that the whole person is constantly motivated by one need or another and that people have the potential to grow towards psychological health, which is the self-actualization. Alright, this is just a brief information about the life of Maslow. Okay. Maslow brought two stray kittens. His mother killed them by bashing their heads against the wall. So this experience affected not only his emotional life but also his work in psychology. He believed that he was different from other children. His teenage years marked by an inferior complex. Okay. Ayun. Alright, these are just information about the life of Maslow. Okay, and he met Max Wertheimer and Ruth Benedict. He would work to improve the human personality and demonstrate that people are capable of displaying better behavior than prejudice, hatred, and aggression. Okay, so some information about his life. So for his view of motivation, he adopted the holistic approach to motivation. Okay, and this is usually complex. People are continually motivated by one need or another. All people are motivated by the same basic needs, and the needs can be arranged on a hierarchy that we're going to discuss later. The needs are arranged in order from strongest to weakest. Lower needs must be at least partially satisfied before the higher needs become influential. Okay, so first level of need is the physiological. This refers to the needs for survival. This is the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, the water, also sex, sleep, homeostasis, excretion. Those are physiological needs. Going to the next one is the safety needs. This refers to the personal security of body, the employment, resources, morality, the family, health, and property, the resources we have. After physiological needs, of course, safety needs should be fulfilled. Okay? Alright, this corresponds to the 70%. Going to the next one, love and belongingness. This refers to family, your friendships, sexual intimacy to a loved one, sense of belongingness, sense of connection. Okay, this corresponds to 50%. Esteem needs, this refers to achievement, respects for others, okay, having that self-esteem, recognition, that freedom. This corresponds to 40%. Okay, and the toppest need that we have is self-actualization. Okay, self-actualization is the prime motivation of an healthy individual, maximizing one's potential and reaching fullest personality development. Okay, so this is the pinnacle of development. Free from psychopathology, self-actualizing people had progressed through the hierarchy of their needs. Okay, basically they are values, or what you call B values, which is present to those that have self-actualized. Okay. So we also have some hierarchy of needs is also divided into major three. We have, first is the aesthetic needs. These are not universal needs for beauty and aesthetics experiences, something that is pleasing. Okay, that is aesthetics needs. Cognitive needs refer to the desire to know, to solve mysteries, to understand, to be curious. Okay, failure to satisfy the cognitive needs is harmful and hampers the full development and functioning of the personality. It's like the aha experience. What makes Max Wertheimer and Ruth Benedict self-actualizing? Okay. Ayun. Okay, major criteria for self-actualization. They should be free from psychopathology. Self-actualizing people have progressed through this hierarchy of needs. All right, and the persons are embracing the B values, and they fulfill their needs to grow, to develop, and to increasingly become what they were capable of becoming. Ayun, those are the characteristics of self-actualizers. What are the B values? Okay, the B values, okay, so meta motivation is maximizing personal potential rather than striving for a particular goal or object. Okay, so meta needs states of growth or being towards with self-actualizers evolve, and meta pathology towards the full development of the personality. The B values or the being values are the indicators to a psychological health. All right. Again, meta needs is the ultimate level of needs. All right. So basically, we have 14 known B values. These are truth, goodness, beauty, wholeness, aliveness, perfection, completion, justice, order. Okay, those are the B values that is well known. But there are a lot of B values. Okay, so characteristics of self-actualizers: clear perception of reality, acceptance of self, others, and nature, spontaneity, simplicity, and naturalness, dedication to cause, independence, and need for privacy, freshness of appreciation, the peak experiences, and the social interest or the Gemeinschaftsgefühl. Okay, ito yung social interests. Okay? Alright, so moving forward, deep interpersonal relationship, tolerance and acceptance of others, creativeness and originality, resistance to social pressures. Okay. Failure to become self-actualizing. Less than 1% of the population reach self-actualization. Inadequate education and improper child rearing practices. Okay, there should be sufficient love in childhood. The Jonah complex, this is doubting about our personal abilities. Okay, the Jonah complex, 'di ba? Makikita natin dito si Jonah in the Bible. So Jonah complex, for example, ayaw mo mag-take ng board exam kasi you are feared that you will going to fail the board exam. That is an example of a Jonah complex. All right, you doubt yourself, your personal skills, and your abilities. Measuring self-actualization. So we have the personal orientation inventory. Okay, again, human nature is optimistic and humanistic ability to shape our lives. We have the free will to actualize our potential. Ayun. For Maslow, we are capable of reaching the highest level of human functioning. So, very positive ang kaniyang pagtingin sa tao. Alright. So, I believe that is everything. Thank you so much for listening and watching. And that's all for today, my egos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you share this to others. And don't forget to subscribe.